To make this Korean spicy squid salad, I was inspired by the recipe Ojingeo Bokkem stir-fry squid. I wanted to combine the taste and the soft texture of the squid with crunchy raw vegetables. Here are the ingredients for 2 to 3 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Start by preparing the squid. Remove the head. Cut the tentacles off right after the eyes. Keep the tentacles and through the eyes. Open the squid body. Empty it. Remove the skin. Remove the beak. Wash the squids and drain it. Cut the body until getting strips of about 1 cm wide. Divide the tentacles apart. Finally, slice the cucumber. Mix them with half teaspoon of salt to make them disgorge. Cut half a carrot in fine julienne. Do the same with a piece of leek. Cut half paper into chunks. Finally, slice 1/4 onion. Crush a garlic clove. Peel it. Chop it. Peel the ginger. Grate it. Keep 1 teaspoon. Press the cucumber to remove the water. To prepare the sauce, put in a pan the garlic, the ginger, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of Korean chili paste, one tablespoon of Korean chili powder. Mix all together. Make it evaporate on low heat for 3 minutes to thicken. Stir regularly. Put the squid in boiling water for 90 seconds. If you leave them longer, they will become rubbery. Drain them and rinse them in cold water. Now mix the salad. Put in the mixing bowl the squid and the sauce. Mix. Then add the pepper, the leek, the carrot, the onion, the cucumber. Mix. Add 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Then mix. Serve the salad in a plate. Sprinkle with sesame seeds. The squid is perfectly cooked. It is tender, and the sauce spices all the ingredients. Bon appétit! Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.